Welcome to the University of Maryland Extension Home and Garden Information Center. HGIC is an online resource that provides science-based, sustainable gardening information and answers plant and insect questions. We answer questions about plant care, food gardening, insect identification, and more. HGIC works in tandem with the University of Maryland Extension Master Gardener program. Master Gardener volunteers use HGIC resources to carry out their mission across the state. You can browse or search our website for answers to your questions. Send your questions and photos to our Ask an Expert service. Questions are answered by Maryland Certified Professional Horticulturists, supported by Extension Specialists. This is a free public service. Follow our blog, email newsletter, or social media for timely information that's affecting Maryland residents right now. Our clients say our services help make them more confident, save money, and solve their problems. extension.umd.edu/HGIC. Happy gardening!